What's good, ladies and gents? It's your boy once again, Chinchilla Q, known as Q Moore of Hit Rocker Productions, TM.com, ProsperityTeam.com, EmpowerNetwork.com, BeatSoundSquad.com, and anything else business motivated. It takes a lot when you say all of those together. There's a lot of stuff that I'm part of. Other than that, this is videos number 7 and 8, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 7 and 8, entitled Don't Follow the Crowd, Motivation. Let me explain a little bit more on that, ladies and gents. The reason why you don't want to follow the crowd is because the crowd could get you caught up. That could come from fans, wow. You know what? If you do music or you got a big fan base for what you are doing in your business, and you have fans or friends or even family members, because what you don't want to do is get caught up in their lifestyle or what they're going through. I mean, certain individuals have crazy lifestyles that, may be kind of pleasing to the eyes, but at the same time is harmful towards your body and your spirit and even your mind. Because what you don't want to do is transform to somebody else that you're not. And too many times you see folks in the entertainment and even in business that they tend to do that a lot, change from who they really are as opposed to staying with their character. It's a rarity nowadays. We see folks really stay to the character, those in the entertainment industry and whatnot. But for regular folks like me and stuff, we stay true to who we are. But when other people come around, it can be a little bit different on how folks act and how folks, sometimes try to put up a front or whatnot. But whatever that happens, just stay true to yourself and don't go off the deep end and try to be somebody else that you're not. At the same time, stay motivated. I mean, I know it can be hard at times, ladies and gents, whether you're dealing with work or with life, to be motivated or inspired or encouraged or anything else like that. Just like I mentioned in the other video, just take a look at the bigger picture and just the grand scale of things and really understand what life is really about. Trust me, your problems is a little bit different than somebody else's. So you most definitely want to stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep it persistent. Now, if you're running a business, what you want to do is keep your motivation and inspiration for your business and not lose it. It may be lost here and there, but at the same time, everything should be straight and everything should be going smooth sailing and going smooth forward. So with that, the call to action I have for you guys is if you have any insights or comments or anything you want to leave on this video, click the like button, share button, comment button. At the same time, head towards the website. Click on the link that says motivation, inspiration, and take action. And I'm telling you right now, it would change your life for the better. So, your boy Chinchilla Q, also known as Q Moore, signing out, and catch you guys in videos 9 and 10.